So welcome back guys in the review of the WordPress plugin called Traffic Goliath. Okay, so here is a part 2 of the video. Okay, if you haven't watched the part 1 video, then go and watch, then join this video. Okay, so if we continue with this, then introducing the Traffic Goliath. Okay, Traffic Goliath WordPress plugin. Okay, generates hundreds of Google page number 1 rankings without more content or backlinks. Okay, for busy website owners, bloggers, freelancers and marketers, get organic traffic, leads and buyers from Bing and Google for free. World's only WordPress plugin with Traffic Pride technology leverages the power of Google, YouTube and Amazon. Intuitive and beginner friendly, limited time, fast action, launch period bonuses included. And here is some of the feedback and the testimonials, and you can say a review of the product. Okay, how does Traffic Goliath work? So if you can check it out the video.
Hi, let me show you how Traffic Goliath works. This page can rank well in Google for a term like travel backpacks. It includes the term travel backpacks itself, but it also includes terms like travel backpack, singular.
So you can go and check it out the video how the Traffic Goliath work. And the step 1 is let the Traffic Goliath generate hundreds of tags for you with one click. Okay, it will fetch keywords from sites like Google, YouTube and Amazon. Here's an example. Okay, then step 2 is Traffic Goliath will generate hundreds of smart traffic pages for your site. They will be keyword optimized and ready to rank high on Google. Then the step 3 is the Traffic Goliath will intelligently interlink these pages with each other. This is a very powerful SEO approach which wikipedia.com uses a lot. And that's it. And during launch week you are also getting these 2 exclusive bonuses. Okay, $10,000 per month affiliate blueprint. Okay, copy what successful affiliates already do, earn 6 figures every single year, no product creation. Okay, then Slingshot SEO system, rank a new affiliate site on Google page number 1, generate traffic and commissions fast, 100% beginner friendly. Okay, this is the bonuses. And 60-day get traffic and sales guarantee. Okay, guarantee 100% satisfaction. Okay, use Traffic Goliath on your WordPress site, be assured you'll get enough extra traffic and sales to cover your investment and more. In the unlikely case this does not happen, let them know within 60 days of your purchase. They'll work with you to make it right or refund your purchase, whichever you prefer. No matter what, they still be friends. They want to build a long-term business relationship with you, so they are both happy for years to come. There's some of the lowest refund rates in the industry because of products get results for customers. Okay, the summary of of what you are getting. Then Traffic Goliath WordPress plugin launch week bonus number 1, $100K per month affiliate blueprint. Okay, launch week bonus 2. Number 2 is the Slingshot SEO system, quick start guides and videos, free upgrades and cool new features, friendly customer support, 60-day 100% satisfaction guarantee. Recoup your investment fast, get more traffic and sales starting tonight. Okay, start getting more traffic and profits today. Limited offer for really though. The launch week bonuses and the discounted price can only be guaranteed during the launch week. So it is the testimonials about good questions we have got answered. Okay, so this is it for the Traffic Goliath WordPress plugin. Okay, so if you really want to attract more and more traffic to your websites, okay, then definitely you can try the WordPress plugin called Traffic Goliath. And if you want to purchase this, then link in the description. And if you purchase this from my link, then I'll give you a bonus that is related to SEO. And what you can do for the bonus is you send me a screenshot on my Instagram of your purchase which you do with my link, and then only I'll give you a bonus that is related to SEO on my Instagram.